Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video is a glam high-end DIY. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned, but please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, let's get this DIY project started. Now for this DIY, we're going to be using 2 of your Dollar Tree stemless wine glasses, 2 of your Dollar Tree hurricanes. I actually changed out the paint. We're going to be using that Rust-Oleum Sunshine Yellow. We're also going to be using AB crushed diamond epoxy sheets and diamond rhinestone sheets. We're going to get our pieces cutted and painted, and we're jumping right into this DIY. Now my pieces are painted, and what I'm going to do first, you guys, and here are the correct pieces, is that diamond rhinestone and that AB epoxy sheet. That epoxy sheet is from BB Park. They are sponsoring this portion of the video. I'm dropping their link in my description. And those brooches are from Totally Dazzled, and they are sponsoring those. Both of those links will be in my description box. Please check them out. Now we're going to hot glue these pieces together first, and this is going to be another simple and easy DIY for my beginning crafters, or even if you're a seasoned crafter. This is going to be so simple and easy, so make sure you follow me along as we create this beautiful sunshine yellow counter holders. Now the link for this diamond rhinestone epoxy sheet, I actually purchased it from Amazon. I will still be dropping that link in my description. Make sure you do check out that Bead Park crushed diamond epoxy sheet, that link, and I will actually put the item code in there as well. Make sure you do click my discount so you can save you a few coins. Please make sure, if you haven't become a part of the family, subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY. And to see all of my DIY style, you have to go over to the Glam Queen of Decor. And we're adding that Total Dazzled brooch. And you guys, be careful if you use these brooches, because that hot glue does heat up that brooch. But I'm just adding my hot glue only on the points where I know the brooch will touch the glass. And if you're liking this type of DIYs, I dropped a playlist link down in my description box too, family. Make sure you always check my description box. There's always some very useful information and some discount codes in it as well. All of my affiliate links are listed. Now you guys, any of my affiliate links, you are never charged to use my affiliate links. I'll just receive a small commission if you do, and for most of all of them, you will receive a discount for clicking on the link. Now this is what that vase is looking like as of right now. We're still not through yet. Make sure, you guys, that if you're still liking my DIYs, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell twice for it to turn blue. And please, please, please don't forget to share this channel with your family and friends. Thank you so much for always showing your girl love and support. And also, family, subscribe to my other channels, the Glam Queen of Decor and the Glam Queen of DIY. All of my channel links are down in my description box. All right, you guys, we are bringing this DIY to a close. I have finished it, and this is what it's looking like. I'm letting you see the whole view. You know, I did make 2 of these. Now, if you do want to see them styled, you have to go over to the Glam Queen Decor, and you'll see them styled very soon. Please don't forget to make sure you do subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs. You will also be seeing some more of my family member channels coming very soon. Now, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.